In today's guide, I'll show you how to connect a soundbar or home theater to your Sony Bravia Google TV with an HDMI ARC or optical cable or wirelessly via Bluetooth. If you have a Bluetooth soundbar or speaker, then you can easily connect it to your Sony Smart TV by taking it into Bluetooth pairing mode. Then press and hold the home button to open the quick panel, select all settings, then go down to remotes and accessories. Tap on pair accessory and give it a few seconds to detect your soundbar. Then press OK and confirm it by tapping on pair. Now your soundbar is connected to your TV via Bluetooth. And if you want to connect your soundbar via HDMI or optical cable, then simply connect one end of the cable to your soundbar and the other end to your TV's optical or HDMI port. But for HDMI connection, first you'll need to make sure that you have plugged in the HDMI cable into an HDMI ARC or eARC port. Then you'll also need to have HDMI-CEC enabled. To check that, open all settings, select channels and inputs, then external inputs, HDMI-CEC settings. From there, turn on CEC. Now your soundbar should be able to play sound without any issues. If the sound still doesn't come from your soundbar, then press the settings button on your remote, go to speakers, and make sure that it's set to audio system. Now you can enjoy music on your Sony Smart TV using your soundbar. So that's how easily you can connect a soundbar to your Sony Bravia Google TV. If this helped, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more.